Previously on Pupples Therapy.
Nothing gets better if we don't communicate.
Oh my God, you are such a child.
Yes, I'm a child, baby me. Wah.
If we are going to try this again, I need to know from both of you that you plan on doing everything in your power to remain calm and respectful throughout the session. And most importantly, you will allow one another to speak.
I will if he does.
No, see, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Mutual respect. I need you to suspend your assumptions about how the other person is going to act and see them for their higher selves. Can you both promise to do that for me?
All right.
Yeah.
Great. So let's talk. I understand that you are quarantining together. How is that going?
Fine.
Are you sure there's nothing you want to discuss? You paid for the full hour.
I'll go.
Of course.
I feel that sometimes Michael is not aware or respectful of the amount of noise he makes during the times in which I would like to relax or sleep.
What sort of noise?
Michael has decided that this is an excellent time to take up the electric guitar.
I mean, with quarantine, a lot of people have found that new hobbies help them deal with the isolation and lack of purpose. I have to say, this sounds like a healthy use of time.
I bought him that guitar as a present 20 years ago. It has sat collecting dust for 19 years and 11 months. And now, when I no longer have the option of leaving the house, he decides to live out his rock star fantasies at 3 a.m. every night.
I shred. I play the music of the people. And when this is all over, you'll be married to a rock star, and I don't think that I should have to apologize for that.
No, you should apologize to the entire apartment building and perhaps the inventor of music. He doesn't touch that thing for 20 years and all of a sudden he thinks he's Johnny Hendrix.
Jimmy. It's Jimi Hendrix. And you'd know that if you had listened to the playlist I got you.
Oh, the playlist. How could I neglect the playlist? It's every adult woman's dream to get a playlist for their 30th wedding anniversary. Chivalry, thy name is Michael. Heavens be praised, I've got a playlist.
Enough! See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Anytime we start to talk about our feelings, out comes the finger pointing. And when you do that, you miss how your actions are making the other feel. I know that you're in pain and there are a million things we need to work through. But you married each other. I have a feeling that there is still some love there. And if we are ever going to find it, then both of you need to start actually listening to one another and hearing what the other has to say.
I'd love to listen, but due to recent developments, my eardrums have given their 2 weeks' notice.
Oh, stop. Your eardrum should be asking for extra shifts the way I rock it.
The way you rock it? No one says rock it, you poser loser.
I say it, hence rock stars say it.
Hence, excuse me, monsieur. I forgot you were a fancy rock star. What is it, doctor? Everything okay?
You, looking a little pale there, kiddo.
Yeah, of course. How's he doing?
It's not good.
How long has he been like this?
Hours.
Okay, I'm gonna take it from here. Joe? Coming in. Oh my god, Joe. Hey, Joey.
No.
Owen? Owen, I think we should call...